Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Want to show you this Tacoma, and you might think it looks like any of the other new Tacomas, but this one's got something special on it. And I've mentioned this before, but I haven't been able to show it to you yet. It's nighttime. There's a reason for that. I'm going to show you the illuminated emblem on this new Tacoma. So if you take a look, you can see how this emblem looks, and we'll kind of get you a pretty good close up here with just nighttime here, and I'll turn the light on here. You can kind of see how the emblem just looks with the, just in regular, right? And I'll turn that off. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn on the headlights. And when I do this, I'm going to start with just the parking lights, and there's a reason for that too. But what you're going to see, check this out. This right here is your illuminated emblem. That thing looks beautiful, right? I mean, it's lit up all the way around it. It's LED, of course, but you guys can take a look and see how that emblem actually looks all lit up. And just sitting there with the parking lights on, it's pretty sweet, right? But I'm going to show you this as well. So we're going to go all the way on your headlights, so you can see it with the headlights on. Give you a good look there. So once you have your headlights on, coming down the road, you're going to have that illuminated emblem. That's pretty sweet. And then I want to show you something else. You have your fog lights that you can turn on. And if you turn on your fog lights, that gives you another view of how that can definitely look with all of the lighting on in the front of your new Tacoma. So tell me what you guys think. The illuminated front emblem, it's code 6L. If somebody's trying to get their salesman to find it, look for code 6L on a Tacoma. But the illuminated front emblem on the new Tacoma. So don't you guys think? Steve Welch of Beaman Toyota here in Nashville. You guys have a great day, and we're going to talk to you soon. Bye.